Hi, I'm Lawanda and I'm a visual designer. The moment I started my internship with Atelier, we were working on a big project, the India story. From designing billboards, newspapers, menus, everything, to make sure this event was perfect. What else do I do at Atelier? I also handle social media. I make posts, I edit reels. I've also done art direction for our clients. Am I addicted to my phone? Most definitely. When I'm scrolling through my phone, it's research. Instagram is basically what puts food on my table. Talking about food, here at Atelier, it's not only about work, no play. We get to see food, we get to smell food, but we don't get to eat it. No, I'm just kidding. We have a lot of fun outings. Coffee, pasta, pizza, fries. And there should always be fries. Besides social media, I've learned a lot here when it comes to softwares, techniques, easier and faster ways to do things, delegating tasks, the most important thing. I'm still working on that though. Working here has been a crazy journey, but I'm so excited to see what comes next in the future with the company, and I would just like to thank École Intuit Lab for helping me land this amazing internship. That's it for now. I'm late for work. Gotta go. Bye.